Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your Bluetooth is not connecting on your LG G6. If you're having connection issues with Bluetooth, the first thing you could try is to simply turn Bluetooth off and then back on again. You can also do that under Settings, Networks, and just turning Bluetooth off and then back on again. If you're still experiencing issues with your devices, you could try simply unpairing from the desired device and then pairing with it again. If this, however, doesn't work, you should consider simply restarting your Bluetooth device, which you may have to look at, which may be different depending on the device, as well as restarting your phone. You can do so by pressing and holding the power button at the back, and then choosing the power off and restart option. Once you tap it, it will of course restart your phone. If the issues still persist, another thing you could try is to go into Settings. Here under General, scroll down to About Phone, Update Center, and then Software Update. Then check for updates. Although it is unlikely you will find any new updates, as the last update has been rolled out in 2020 and support has been taken away. So it may be completely unable to even find updates even if there are any. If the issue persists even after all of this, you could consider going into Backup and Reset, and here Network Settings Reset, then Reset again, and then Reset. This will reset all of your network settings, which could potentially solve the issue of Bluetooth. You could then go back into Bluetooth, turn it back on, and then of course try pairing with your device again, because it will automatically unpair you from all of your devices, as well as forget all of your saved networks. Simply try connecting to the device again. If the issue persists, you could try changing the settings in, try searching for example to maybe reset it all. And that's about it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.